Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the COVID-19 situation and current employment market. And at the end of the video, I will also share some tips to survive in this tough situation. So guys, let's get started. So for people who are thinking about resigning from your current organization, it's a suggestion from my end, guys. Don't resign from your current organization because the current employment market has become worse due to the COVID-19 situation, due to the COVID-19 pandemic. There are so many companies who are in losses and they are not making profits, and the organizations are restructuring. So guys, if you are thinking about resigning, because of so many tasks which are given to you, I know that most of you are working, you're working from home, and you're working for, not for 9 hours, you are working for 10 hours, 12 hours. You have got so many tasks to do. So guys, do speak with your manager or your team leaders about it. If if you have got so many tasks to do, and if you are working for 10 to 12 hours, do not think about resigning from that organization. You need to discuss it with your reporting manager. The second point would be, for people who have already resigned from your current organization, I understand that it's a tough situation, and due to this COVID-19 pandemic, you guys are not able to survive. So guys, I want to tell you, I mean, let me give you a tip that you guys can make a list of the target companies and connect with the HR managers, recruiters of those companies where you want to apply. Send a message to them, I mean, send your job application to them, and mention your skills in it, mention your overall experience, make a summary of your overall experience while you're sending job application to them. And let me give you some tips to survive in this difficult situation. So guys, we all have some savings. Make sure that you are spending your savings wisely and you are not spending money on unnecessary things. Make sure that you are spending your money only on the necessary things and not on the unnecessary things. So guys, I want to share a story with you. This story is before this pandemic, and this is not related to this pandemic, but it has a message in, I mean, there's a learning from the story. So guys, I have a friend. It's a real story. It's not based on something else. It's a it's a fact. It's a story about my friend. So I have a friend. She had this habit of going out for movies on every weekend, spending money on cosmetics every month whenever she gets her salary. And one fine day she came to me saying that she does not have money to pay rent of her apartment. So guys, what do we learn from the story? Always have your savings and do not spend money on unnecessary things. I'm not saying that spending cosmetics or going out for movies is bad, but spending money on cosmetics every month, or going out for movies every weekend is not really a necessary thing. It's an unnecessary thing. It's not a necessity. So guys, what do we learn from this story? We learn that we need to use our savings wisely. We need to make a list of our necessary things in the month. Make a list of the things which are required in the month, and spend on those things only, and do not spend on unnecessary things. So in this tough pandemic, if you want to survive, use your savings wisely and take care of each other, take care of your family. Guys, stay home, stay safe. If you like this video, do click on the like button, and if you are new, do subscribe my channel. Guys, thank you so much for your time. Bye.